Pest control website templates with Divi. We'll explore two outstanding options, one premium and one free, to enhance your online presence in the pest control industry. Before we start, if you haven't installed the Divi theme yet and need guidance, click on the link in the description below for a complete walkthrough. Let's begin with our first template from the Divi marketplace. Priced at $35, this template is designed to captivate your audience. If you find it appealing, it's just a purchase away. Now, let's dive into the live demo to explore its unique elements. First, we have a stunning hero section, a bold and inviting introduction to your services, ensuring your first impression counts. Next, the Our Steps section clearly outlines your process, giving customers a transparent look at how you tackle pest issues efficiently. And here is the Services section. Highlight your range of services effectively, letting potential clients know exactly what you offer. Moving on to the Pricing section, showcase your competitive prices clearly, helping clients make informed decisions. The Blog section features an engaging hover effect on images, instantly drawing visitors into your latest updates and articles. Finally, the footer includes quick menu, services menu, resources menu, and location details, with space for integrating your social media platforms to stay connected. Now let's check out the free template available once you download and install the Divi theme. Despite being free, this template is loaded with impressive features. It begins with a captivating hero section, setting the tone for a professional and approachable website. The Our Mission section follows, beautifully articulating your commitment and dedication to pest control. Next is the Testimonials section, an impactful place for sharing customer experiences and building trust with new clients. Finally, the footer, complete with a Contact Us section, an About menu, and an email subscription form, perfect for growing your audience and keeping them informed. If you're interested in learning how to create and edit this free website template with Divi, check the link in the description. It guides you through creating a modern website with Divi and WordPress. And that's it.